An off-the-cuff video, um, not planned at all, but it's something that I'd have been studying myself for a long, long time. Um, and it's an interesting phenomena where we get these pullbacks and they break through all the levels. I've labelled this one, this weekly close is strong, no support above to act as resistance. Now, um, if we think of these tails, these wicks, as battlegrounds, in other words, the sellers have pushed the price down, the buyers have overwhelmed them. Sellers push the price down. Hopefully, you can see those wicks there. Buyers have overwhelmed them. And so these levels, the close and opens of the candles, what I call price pivot zones or flip zones, battlegrounds, are significant, of course, because they are levels that the price has pushed away from, or sellers have managed to push through, and then it's pushed back up. So I personally believe they are probably more powerful than just breaking a wick of a candle. So, you might think, well, we're trading straight into resistance, and we are. There's resistance there, and so on and so forth. But I think this has a significance, and hence it is worth mentioning. These other lines are drawn on other areas that I've noticed just to really test the theory in the short term on this chart, and off the cuff, as it were, not pre-thought or anything, just to look at this and see whether uh, in this instance it backed up my thought processes. And we can see here, look, we've got a ton of candles, support and resistance, and this is the highest battleground, if you like, PPZ, in this whole area. Hopefully that's clear. We've got the uh, close of that candle, then it gapped down for whatever reason, the close of the red candle, then we've not gapped and we've just opened to a new candle there and it's gone down. So that's the price pivot zone, that's the battleground. And lo and behold, when that level, the close of that candle is 13118, this close was 13184, so it's higher. It actually broke through that by whatever this is on the DAX, 40 points. I mean, that's just, in my opinion, that's crazy. But and then look what happens. Price just continues on up. A little bit of playing around, but it goes up. So, I'm a great believer in what we can see on the charts historically should influence our thought processes while we're waiting for price to do its stuff. And as such, this didn't go in a straight line, blast to the moon, as we say, but, we should expect potential, look for bullish signals, look for reasons to continue up. You can draw a descending trend line there, you can wait for 3 candle reversals, all the normal stuff, but critically, this close through that close of that red candle there has given us just another tick box, a little clue to where price might be going. None of this is 100%, none of this is set in stone, but it is an observation that I like trading. I think I drew another one up here. I think that unfortunately these flip zones don't date themselves, timestamp themselves, but I think that was the one there. And then I noticed when price finally, all of these tests and whatnot going on, finally closes through that green close of that red candle there, the line I'm talking about at 58.9, has then messed around again like we said it did, but it's given us a bullish signal. There is no more battleground, if you like, above price after this point here. we have closed into that. You could look at all these resistance levels and say, oh yeah, but it's busted through those. But this is just an observation, guys. Check them out. There, as I said, the one I explained over here. I'm not sure whether this line was another one. Let's have a look. More to the left. I think I did go more to the left. That one there. Look. You've got to push up, push price down. You tested it, tested it, tested it, tested it. Finally closed through it. There. We probably closed through the resistance as well. Let's have a double check of that. Just shows I haven't done my homework properly. The high, so that high is 658.70, and the high of that close of that candle 658.40. Woohoo! So the resistance was not closed through, but the support was closed through, and lo and behold, price goes up. So I mean, this is just 4 different points on a chart, on a weekly chart, that have backed up some thought processes I've had. You could probably find numerous occurrences of it not happening, but it is something to watch for. We learn by watching. Oh, that's messed that line up now, so I'll delete that one. We learn by watching. Here's one that actually happened here, and price has gone up. Remember, these are weekly charts. That's the battleground. Well, in fact, that's the battleground, but it was closed through by that. But resistance wasn't closed through. Price has continued up. Here's one that didn't follow the rules, but we are in a downtrend, so that might be massively significant on that one. But so yeah, food for thought, guys. When you have no flip zones, PPZ price pivot zones, battlegrounds ahead of you, and you've just had a weekly close in this instance, it doesn't matter whether it's a 5-minute chart, an hourly chart, 4 hours, monthly, whatever. This is a thing to keep an eye out for. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great Sunday.